welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, it is HOBI day. It's HOBI's birthday. Our beautiful sunshine. His smile can just make me, it just can flip my mood like this. One listen to his laugh and my mood gets uplifted. Seriously, I don't know, HOBI has that effect on all of us, I mean, he absolutely has that effect on us. So for today's HOBI special day, so I'm gonna be reacting now to 3 of his video. Yes, 3 armies again, one long ass video for you. So these are all his songs. Now the first I'm gonna be reacting to his Airplane MV because I know there is an Airplane Part 2. So this is the original one from his mixtape. The second song that I'm going to be reacting to, which has been requested a lot of times, it's Mama, and this has the English subtitles also. So, and this was suggested by you guys only armies that please react to this YouTuber video because this has the English subtitles. So, okay. And the third one that I chose is Just Dance. This is from their Wembley concert. So, absolutely, I definitely wanna, react to his live performances. So, Mama and Just Dance are the live performances and Airplane is the MV. So yes, without dealing this any further guys, because these are 3 videos and of course as you all know I'm going to be pausing and all of that. So yes, let's react to first Airplane, then Mama and then Just Dance. Alright. Are we excited for HOBI's birthday? Yes, we are. We absolutely are. Let's start with Airplane. I just love HOBI's raspy voice. I just love it. Alright, let's start. I'm so excited! Yes! Ooh! Nice visual effects. So I'm guessing this is also about traveling and stuff, huh?
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 그때 나를 다시 기억해
Yes! I'm already dead. I'm ready to torture myself. Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 아직도 난 믿겨 광주 토박이의 비행사 매겨
Is that his native place's name? Huh?
높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상을 나고 있어 너답게 첫 일본 행때 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게
Talking about so basically he's talking about him achieving, because he was a street dancer, right? And of course in his native he used to think probably that one day I'll be able to fly and go various places. Now literally traveling around the world. So he's talking about the first flight he took to Japan to, I think it would be for, of course, their first concert over there. So would have been such a big deal.
이젠 네 슈에 플래시 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해
I remember myself back in that moment. Yes. Beautiful. So it's a very personal song. It's a very personal song. He looks amazing. Of course. Yes, of course.
Bring champagne in my airplane. 구름 위를 매일 구름 위를 매일
Oh wait.
구름 위에 내 feel 구름
Oh, this is from this verse. This is the Korean because I remember when I reacted to the Airplane Part 2, that was the original Japanese song, but I've listened to the Korean one also. This is that verse. This is HOBI's verse only. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm feeling so happy. Oh wow! And can I just say that Hobie's, I don't know, like Hobie's voice is really unique. The way he raps and sings, I don't know. He has a great vocal range. He's he's such a he's such a great vocalist also and such a great rapper also. Dancer तो मतलब छोड़ ही दो. That is to another god level only.
구름이야 jacket 구름과의 케미
Yes!
구름과 하루 종일 구름 찾는
That's his
재미
verse, yes!
구름은 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 탔어 말리지만 마시마들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경 다 off 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그 적에서 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에
Okay!
나를 다시
This verse is there in Airplane Part 2.
메마른 땅이 나 불태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네
Visuals are beautiful.
그때를 생각해 이 airplane 누군가도 나를 개혁해 그 누군가도 죽지도 외롭게 hey yeah
Yes.
신경 안 써 그저 행복해 성공을 느껴 in my airplane airplane
Oh wow. Beautiful. I really like that line where he says, people talk shit about me because they get jealous, but I don't give a damn. Which is how it should be. Wow. Yes, Airplane. Beautiful! I love that verse. Na 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 na. Na na na. That was there in Airplane Part 2 as well. Oh wow, this was beautiful. This was amazing. The lyrics are just amazing. It's very personal. It's very personal to him. And I'm guessing his entire mixtape is also like that because, you know, they write their own stuff and they write about their personal experiences. So, like, you know, he dreamt of flying in an aeroplane, and then now he's literally traveling all across the world. And there are people who talk shit about him, but he doesn't care because he's happy. And of course, it's of course out of jealousy because it's human nature. People get jealous for no reason, so that's fine. That's not an issue. So I loved it, and I don't know. I think he was making his voice a little deeper here. I don't know why I felt that, because he was going for that sexy tone. I think I totally felt that. Tell me if I'm wrong, Armis. Did he make his voice a little deeper? Because that's my thing. You know, I love deep voices so much. So that was the first song, Airplane, MV by JHope, our lovely HOBI. Once again, a very happy birthday to you. Before I move on to the next one is of course a live performance. This is Mama, and this has the English subtitles. So a lot of you told me that this he wrote for his mother. Of course I want to listen to it. So let's start and let's listen to Mama, and it's a 6-minute performance. Okay, let's start. Oh, I absolutely freaking loved it. This was everything, guys. This was everything. This song is so wholesome. The performance overall, his vocals were amazing. I absolutely loved the stability of his voice. It was beautiful. His overall persona, his performance, the way he engaged the crowd over there. Everything about this performance was beautiful. The emotion, the rawness, I felt everything. What a great performer. He's such a pleasure to watch, man. Absolutely love him. This was so wholesome. I don't know. This was so wholesome. Hobi, what are you doing? Hobi is such a bias writer, na? Though my love for my bias is very strong. I'm just saying. Okay, so that was Mama live performance in I don't know, in one of the Wings tour. I don't know which area that was from, which concert. So now the last one that I know is from Wembley concert. This is Just Dance. This was, I mean, this has a lot of views, so I want to see, because if it's JHope's something related to dancing, I definitely want to react to it. I definitely want to react to it. So yes, without delaying this, the last reaction of this particular video, because then I will post another video of his compilation. So yes, let's react to Just Dance by JHope at the Wembley concert. I want to see what this is about. Just Dance, so I'm guessing it is him dancing. Okay, let's start. I know the Wembley stage. I can recognize the Wembley stage.
What's up, wobbly? Yeah,
are you kidding me? Oh my god. HOBI stylist, I love you. You have dressed him up in all white? Freaking hell. I'm okay.
Who has no yes on side?
Oh, I want to dance with you, if you allow me. I can look at the dude dancing and performing like this the whole day. The whole day. This is, oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm just got a little taken aback by the stunning visual. Oh, freaking hell. I'm okay. Woo! Please don't kill me with this close-up shots. Okay, fine, kill me. I don't care. Kill me. I'm ready to die. Oh, I'm so ready to die. I'm so glad I chose this.
Let's go.
Sorry, I can't get over how gorgeous he's looking. He looks. Okay, fine. Not able to concentrate on his vocals. I'm okay.
Let's get it on Part1 불어 물결치는 감심장의 뒷 하나 되는 동작 너를 알아가는 지금 내 맘대로 춤을 좋아해 듯이 널 So you're my love.
I am sorry, he's with that big chain and the glasses. I'm really trying hard. I'm really trying hard to listen to the rap and his vocals. But he's not making it easy on me, huh? He's not making it easy on me at all.
Yeah, my love, that's why 함께하는 춤이 좋아 너와 Sing with us.
I'm okay. I'm not okay. Oh my god, he's so fine.
Let's go.
From which album this is? Wembley. Love Yourself tour. So I'm guessing it's from Love Yourself. Yes, listening party of Love Yourself coming soon. Look at him move like that. So smooth. How subtly he moves just makes him even 10 times more sexy.
Are you ready? Let me hear your voice. Let's go.
Dude, Wembley is packed. It's a full house. It was a sold out concert. All their concerts are sold out. See, look at the subtly how he's moving. Smooth boy.
Let's go. That's right.
The dude doesn't even have to try to be cool. I mean, oh my god. Look at his presence, man. I literally half listened to his vocals because his visuals were killing me.
Thank you.
Thank you for existing. Oh my god. Yes. What a great way to end this reaction video. What I was expecting, what I got. Let me stop this first. Oh, I'm out of breath, I think. This was so good. Wow, okay. So those were the reaction for Airplane, Mama and Just Dance. And oh my god, I'm feeling that. So one was from his mixtape, one was from Wings Tour, and one was from Love Yourself Too. So it was a whole bunch of things from different eras that I could react to. So that's great. I think I chose good videos to react to. I'm very happy after watching. The Mama song was just so wholesome, and that entire performance was just warmed my heart and made me so happy. So yes, I hope you fill the comment section with really beautiful birthday wishes for HOBI, what HOBI means to you, how he brings us all happiness, and his smile just brightens up our day. So yes, I need the comment section filled with all your beautiful birthday wishes for our beautiful HOBI. So yes, that was my reaction for these 3 videos. I will post a separate video of his compilation reaction. So I hope you watch out for that as well. And yeah, that's it from me, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.